Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Drishti. In last week video we talked about how to apply gratitude in day-to-day life. In today's video I will share with you how to apply gratitude in your relationships. So let's get started with that. We all know that it's our relation and connection with other peoples which gives us joyful life, meaning and purposes. Because of this, our relationship affects our life more than anything else. Yet, we rarely show gratitude towards our relationship, and almost times we are thinking about the peoples we don't like. Because of this, I started practicing gratitude towards my relationship. I actually divided gratitude practice in 3 different exercises that are: first, when relationship is on good terms; second, when relationship is on bad terms; third, practice can be exercised whether it's on good terms or in bad terms. So let us start with how to practice gratitude towards good term relationship. Let me tell you what according to me good term relationship means. ऐसा रिश्ता जिसमें आप उनसे रेगुलरली बात करते हो, मिलते हो, जिनसे आप अपनी सारी बातें शेयर कर पाओ. In short, in relationship in which you feel happy, safe and secure. ऐसा रिश्ता आपका अपनी फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड्स, नेबर्स एंड टीचर्स, बेटर ऑफ किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू practice gratitude towards them. In good term relationship, what we can do is that we should be really grateful for the good thing they have, efforts they put to maintain this relationship, and say to them that you are truly grateful to have them in your life. Because if you don't realize these things, you will start taking this all things for the granted, and we all know what will happen next. The relationship will start having problems. To avoid this problem, it is good to grateful for the good things, the moments you spend together, and at the times when they supported you, and say to them that you are truly grateful to have them in your life. So, this was about how to practice gratitude towards good term relationship. Now, let us see how to improve bad term relationship with the help of gratitude practice. Let me tell you first, according to me, what does mean by bad term relationship. When जब आप एक दूसरे से क्लोज तो होते हो, बट बिकॉज ऑफ सम मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग आप दोनों में थोड़ी दूरियां सी आ जाती है. मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग कोई भी चीज़ को लेके हो सकती है, एक पर्सन के, सिचुएशन, या हो सकता है कभी कभी ईगो की वजह से भी. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ दैट आप उनसे जाके बात करो, उनको बताओ दैट आपको उनसे ये प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि शायद हो सकता है उनको ये बात पता ही ना हो, और मे बी उनको भी यही फील हो रहा हो सामने से. एंड आई एम 100% श्योर इफ यू टॉक टू देम देन द प्रॉब्लम विल बी सॉर्ट आउट एंड you will again be close to each other. Even on bad term relationship, think about their good qualities, the moments you spend together, and at the times when they supported you. Because you know, हम अपनी materialistic thing को तो छोड़ सकते हैं, फेंक सकते हैं, but we cannot replace a person in our life. Even after all these, you don't understand the worth of that person. Just think about that. पूरी दुनिया में आपको भगवान ने सिर्फ वही पर्सन क्यों दिया उस रिलेशनशिप के लिए? बिकॉज ही नो दैट he or she is perfect for you and they know how to handle you, take out best from you because he know that they are perfect for you. And just have faith in God. The next practice which I do on regular basis is that I take any 3 relationship of mine, then I take out the picture of them in my phone. Then I think about all the good qualities they have, the moments we spent together, and at the times when they were with me. And after this all, I genuinely say thank you to them for always being there for me. और ये करने के बाद जो भी आपको उनसे गुस्सा और शिकायतें होगी वो कहीं गायब हो जाएगी, बिकॉज you are busy being grateful for all the good things about them. These all practice will help you to magically change your relationship. These practices will make your relationship magnificent. You can practice this exercise as many times as you want, because as it said that the one who have gratitude will be given more and more and more.
These are some of my relationship for which I am grateful. Thank you for always being there for me.
So that's it for today video. I hope you have learned something from this video. Practice this exercise for your relationships and tell me the changes you have seen in the comment section. Also, thank you so much for watching. In next video, we are gonna talk about how to practice gratitude towards health. So stay tuned.
If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel.